So for this practical exam in AC Apparatus Lab, we are tasked to perform the connections of this transformer module. So we're going to use the LabVolt simulation to perform the connections. So here in LabVolt Simulator, we're going to put the components needed from here. So we're gonna need a power supply, we're gonna need a resistive load, we're gonna need the DACI for the voltages, and also the transformer. So let's find the components. So resistive load, the single phase transformer, the 4-quadrant, and also the DACI. So let's transfer it right here. So first thing we're going to do is to connect the power input of the DACI right here to the power outlet. And then we'll go back to the circuit. So from the power source goes through the resistive load, then it goes through the primary winding 1, 2 of the transformer. So let's go back. So from the power supply goes through here, power supply, then we're going to connect it like this, and then it goes through the primary winding. So we're going to connect this to the primary winding. And then let's change the color for the neutral side. So neutral side goes through here, 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 and then the 2. Okay. And then going back, as you can see, the primary winding 1, 2 is supplied with the voltage E1. So we're going to connect the positive input of E1, changing the color, E1 to the 1, and then the negative to the 2. So we're just going to arrange it a little bit. So it looks like this. So since we have a resistive load, so we're going to consider the switches right here. So in order to determine what position of switches we're going to turn on, so we're going back to the resistor here. So since we have 57 ohms, we'll base it from here. So from the impedance table, let's find the 57, which is right here. And for the position of the switches, it states that we will turn on all the switches from 1 to 9. So going back, we're going to turn on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're just going to connect all the voltages for its corresponding transformer windings. So change color again. So E2 to 3, 4, as you can see here, E2, 3, 4, E3, 5, 6, E4, 7, 8. I'm going to do it like this, then arrange it a little bit. There we go. And then change color again. E3 to 5, 6. So we can arrange it like this. And then E4, green 1. So E4 to 7, 8. And then you can just arrange the wires however you want, however pleasing you want. So this is the entire connection of the circuit based right here. So that would be all. Thank you.